In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Ferrari. Scroll down and select download mod option. Select create download and select download file. It will start downloading. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Go to documents, Euro Truck Simulator 2. Mod. If it doesn't have mod folder, then right click and select new and select folder and name it as mod. Open mod folder and drag and drop SCS files inside. We have successfully installed the mod. Launch the game. Go to mods. To enable this mod, just double tap. Make sure the mod is active. Do the same thing for another one and then select confirm changes option. And now two mods are active. Select continue career option. Load the game. Once you are in game, select the services, truck dealers, select OK and select access mod dealer. Select the car we added and select purchase option. Select the garage and select this garage in target slot and select OK. Thank you for the purchase. We have successfully brought. If you doesn't have money to purchase this car, then check my video description for cheat engine tutorial on how to get infinite money. Once you're done, just go to home, select the drive option. We have successfully driving the Ferrari. Just press the 2 key in the keyboard to see the car. And that's how you can install mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.